Over 100 million years ago, ancient coniferous forests oozed thick, golden resin, nature's slow-flowing trap. Insects, leaves, and even tiny feathers became trapped, frozen in resin, perfectly preserved for eternity. As the forest floor buried the resin, tiny creatures, spiders, beetles, and even air bubbles remained forever sealed within. Buried deep underground, pressure and time slowly transformed the resin into fossilized amber. Thousands of years ago, early humans found amber washed up on shorelines, glowing like solidified sunlight. For centuries, amber was treasured, not just as a gem, but as a symbol of life frozen in time. Scientists studied trapped insects in amber to uncover ancient DNA, reconstruct ecosystems, and understand evolutionary history. Amber's rarity and beauty make it a prized commodity in global markets, with some pieces valued at tens of thousands of dollars. Amber pieces containing perfectly preserved insects are especially rare and command premium prices worldwide. Protecting amber deposits ensures that future generations can continue to unlock Earth's ancient secrets.